down B.
Or is Viper? Last Viper.
Viper is feeding his gecko.
Sorry,
right now.
I was
here.
feeding my gecko.
You're right.
Spikes here.
Wait, what kind of gecko is it?
She's a leopard gecko.
Hey, I don't know what that is, but I think
One enemy remaining. Last player standing. Spike
Okay.
down B.
Good job.
hey.